Mmm. 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 Oh, wow.
Yeah, man. This is the Dagan Soro. Arachuga in the house. Kapuku Digit in the house. Wow.
This is the Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
This is the Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
Hello, and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a banana cream pie with a gluten-free hot water crust. I want to take a minute to toot my own horn, because I really developed an amazing gluten-free pie crust recipe. If you're gluten-free, or if you've ever just tried a gluten-free pie crust that isn't a graham cracker one, you know that they tend to be dry or tough or grainy, and this one is really easy to work with. It's very malleable, and then when it comes to flavor and texture, there's absolutely no sacrifice. Ooh, I'm really excited for this recipe. Perfect for the holiday season. Let's head to the kitchen and make some magic. In a large mixing bowl, mix 1 cup of white rice flour, half a cup of oat flour, half a cup of cassava flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flax meal, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Now whisk it all together. Then you're going to bring half a cup of vegan butter and half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water to a boil. Once it's nice and bubbly, you can add that into your dry mixture. Mix it up with a silicone spatula so that you don't burn your hands, and then towards the end, just use your hands to bring it all together. Now line a cutting board with a large piece of parchment paper, place your dough on it, and cut 3/4 of a cup of dough off and set it aside. Now you're going to place another large piece of parchment paper on top of your dough, and you're going to roll it out until it's a circle that's about 1/2 inch larger than your pie tin. Now you're going to peel off the top piece of parchment paper, put your pie tin on top, and flip your cutting board over onto your pie tin. Now you can take off the cutting board, take off the top piece of parchment paper, and you can use your hands to guide your dough in, and now use your fingertips to crimp the edges. And if some of it ripped off on the edge, it's okay, just paste it back on, and then press your thumb into the edge. And I like to use my other thumb and my index finger to go around the top of that thumb to create those cute little divots. Start by slicing 3 bananas. Now in a medium pot, you're going to add 1.5 cups of plant milk, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now whisk that on high heat until your oil has melted and your mix is warm. Now put your sliced bananas into your crust and pour the custard mix all over it. Now bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I decided to go the extra mile and make homemade peanut butter whipped cream. I'll put the recipe in my description below, or just get yourself some whipped cream from the store. Now we're going to make the rest of our decorations with that extra dough that we set aside earlier. I basically roll it out the same method that I used with the crust, and then I use cute little cookie cutters to make some fun shapes to go on top of the pie. And I like to sprinkle the top of the cookies with some sugar so that it gives it a little touch of extra sweetness and the crunch. Once my 30 minutes are up, I'm going to put in my cookies with the pie, and I'm going to give it another 20 minutes in the oven. Woo! Ready! Yeah! Oh, look at that! Oh my god, that looks so good! Now you've got to let your pie cool and set in the fridge. Overnight is best, but I found that even a few hours is just fine. Once it's set, you can decorate it with your whipped cream and your cute little cookies. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, my goodness, that looks good. Okay, moment of truth. Wow. Oh my god, the textures in them is absolutely delicious. I honestly don't remember the last time I had like a banana cream pie, or if I've ever had one. I feel like I might have had one as a kid. I don't remember it being this delicious, I'm gonna tell you.
Thank you so much for watching! Please let me know down in the comments what you think of my video, or if you have any questions whatsoever. Or if there is a video you'd like me to make, you can always suggest that down there as well. And always make sure to look at my description below, where I will include the full recipe and sometimes some fun bonus things. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should do that now! I put up a video almost every single Monday, and since sometimes I miss it or sometimes I put extra ones, you should definitely also turn on your notifications so you're notified when I do put up a new video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, have a healthy, happy life. Yeah.